To set up your level 3A first responder backpack kit, you're going to get, first you're going to get your plate carrier, and you're also going to get your ballistic panels. Inserting the front, again, strike face doesn't mean punch yourself in the face, it means this what goes out towards the enemy. Okay, these are meant to fit in there perfectly. We don't want them banging around, we don't want them getting shifting and moving. We need the body armor tight to your body. In the back, you'll notice here we've got another pocket. This can be used for trauma pads. And also, if you happen to have a different, even just it will accept a little wider plate, though that these are designed specifically to take 10 by 12 plates. For the rear panel, there's a pocket inside, closest to your back, underneath the shoulder straps. Again, strike face goes out towards the enemy. Again, meant to be a nice, snug fit. Good. Now it's set. Now to load it up. Again, not complicated at all. Setting up, closing the concealment compartment. It's good to go. And good. Again, this is already attached. Add the waist straps. Done. Good to go. We're going to set up the first responder backpack level 3 ballistic protection kit. So in it, you're going to get, of course, you're going to get your plate carrier, your first responder, and then you're going to get 2 level 3 plates. Keep in mind, these are what they call standalone plates. If you're not familiar with body armor, a lot of the level 3 and above that you see is meant to work in conjunction with a level 3A panel. So it's very, very important that when you're purchasing body armor that you look for standalone. This is a full cut as opposed to a shooter's cut. It can accept the shooter's cut. Obviously, I mean, the shooter's cut is just tapered at the top. So this is, again, this is a 10 by 11, I'm sorry, disregard. This is a 10 by 12 plate, 1 inch thick. Same as before, same as the 3A setup. Take the armor again towards you. Okay, these are multi-curve, multi-threat units. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we'll be loading up your level 3 panel. You just put this on top. So you've got the pocket in the back. This goes to your back. It's a tight fit on purpose. Now that your level 3 is set up, put it away. Attach a concealment. test drive.